Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Clubhouse. You will click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about Clubhouse and you can click. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.